Good day. This is my lecture on artificial intelligence and information filtering. It is divided into 4 sections. We will start it off with a short introduction to AI, and followed by diving deep into AI. And then we will jump to information filtering and put AI into the mix. Let's get started. So what is artificial intelligence, or AI? AI is the science and engineering of creating machines that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as reasoning, learning, decision-making, and understanding natural language. AI has been around for decades, but it has become more powerful and popular in recent years, thanks to advances in computing, data, and algorithms. There are different types of AI, depending on their capabilities and goals. The most common type is the narrow AI, which is designed to perform a specific task, such as playing chess, recognizing faces, or driving a car. Narrow AI is what we see most often in our daily lives, such as Siri, ChatGPT, Copilot, or Gemini, and Google Assistant. However, narrow AI is not very flexible or adaptable, and it can only do what it is programmed to do. Another type of AI is the general AI, which is the hypothetical goal of creating machines that can perform any intellectual task that a human being can. General AI. I would be able to understand and communicate in any language, learn from any experience, and solve any problem. General AI is what we see in science fiction movies, such as HAL 9000, Skynet, or Jarvis. However, general AI is still very far from being achieved, and some experts doubt that it is even possible. The third type of AI is the superintelligent AI, which is an intellect that is much smarter than the best human brains in practically every field, including scientific creativity, general wisdom, and social skills. Superintelligent AI. I would be able to surpass human intelligence and capabilities, and potentially control or influence the world. Superintelligent AI is also a hypothetical concept, and some people fear that it could pose an existential threat to humanity. AI has many real-world applications and benefits, such as improving healthcare, education, entertainment, security, and productivity. AI can also help us tackle some of the biggest challenges facing humanity, such as climate change, poverty, and disease. However, AI also has some risks and challenges, such as ethical, social, legal, and technical issues. AI can also have negative impacts, such as displacing workers, increasing inequality, and undermining privacy and security. Now that we have a general overview of AI, let's dive deeper into some of the aspects of AI. One of the main components of AI is machine learning, which is the process of creating systems that can learn from data and improve their performance without explicit programming. Machine learning can be divided into 3 types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning is where the system is trained on a labeled dataset, which means that each input has a corresponding output or target. For example, if we want to train a system to recognize handwritten digits, we would provide it with a dataset of images of digits and their labels, such as 0, 1, 2, and so on. The system would then learn to associate each image with its label and be able to predict the label of a new image. Supervised learning is useful for tasks such as classification, regression, and recommendation. Unsupervised learning is where the system identifies patterns in the data without any labels or targets. For example, if we want to train a system to group similar customers based on their purchase history, we would provide it with a dataset of customer transactions, but without any labels or categories. The system would then learn to cluster the customers based on their similarities, and be able to assign a new customer to a cluster. Unsupervised learning is useful for tasks such as clustering, dimensionality reduction, and anomaly detection. Reinforcement learning is where an agent learns to behave in an environment by performing actions and seeing the results. For example, if we want to train a system to play a video game, we would provide it with an environment, such as the game screen, and a reward function such as the score. The system would then learn to choose the best actions to maximize the reward and be able to play the game better. Reinforcement learning is useful for tasks such as control, optimization, and game playing. The best example I can think of for this type of AI is the hide-and-seek project by OpenAI, where the 2 groups of AI agents are playing hide-and-seek. The red seeks, while the blue hides. In this animation, the world is paused, while the blue hides. And when the world is resumed, the red seeks. The red used a ramp to look for the blues hiding in the room. By the next iterations, the blues realize they can hide the ramp with them to win. In other aspects of artificial intelligence, we have neural networks, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Both neural networks and deep learning are inspired by the structure of the human brain. Neural networks are composed of layers of artificial neurons, which are mathematical units that can process and transmit information. Each neuron receives inputs from other neurons, performs some computation, and produces an output. By connecting many neurons in different ways, we can create complex and powerful systems that can learn from data and perform various tasks. Deep learning is a subset of neural networks, which involves using many layers of neurons, sometimes hundreds or thousands, to create deep and hierarchical representations of the data. Deep learning can handle large and complex data, such as images, videos, audio, and text, and achieve state-of-the-art results in many domains, such as computer vision, natural language processing, speech recognition, and generative modeling. Natural language processing is the branch of AI that deals with understanding and generating natural language, such as text or speech. Natural language processing can perform tasks such as machine translation, sentiment analysis, text summarization, question answering, chatbots, and natural language generation. Natural language processing can help us communicate better with machines and with each other, and access and analyze large amounts of information. Our new AI chatbots right now are capable of doing these. We can now easily talk to ChatGPT with Scarlett Johansson style, Copilot, Siri, and Gemini. Computer vision is the branch of AI that enables machines to, quote, see and interpret visual data, such as images, videos, or scenes. Computer vision can perform tasks such as face recognition, object detection, scene understanding, image captioning, and video analysis. Computer vision can help us enhance our vision, security, entertainment, and creativity. Information filtering is the process of sifting through unnecessary data to provide users with relevant or preferred information. This is crucial in our era of information overload, helping to reduce noise and enhance signal. One common type of information filtering is collaborative filtering. It recommends items by identifying similarities between users, often seen in recommendation systems for movies, social networks, and e-commerce. Content-based filtering recommends items based on a user's past preferences. For instance, news articles are suggested based on topics or sources previously engaged with, such as content watched, liked, or shared on platforms like TikTok. Hybrid filtering combines both collaborative and content-based approaches. This method is effective for tasks like music streaming and online dating, where both popular and relevant suggestions are desired. Now, let's explore how AI is integrated into information filtering to enhance the accuracy and efficiency of recommendations. We will look at specific case studies. Netflix is a prime example of AI in information filtering. It uses a combination of collaborative, content-based, and deep learning techniques to personalize recommendations, reportedly saving the company a significant amount annually. Amazon also leverages AI for personalized recommendations, using collaborative and content-based filtering alongside natural language processing. This system analyzes customer behavior and product features, contributing significantly to its revenue. Google uses AI in its search engine for personalized results. By combining content-based and hybrid filtering with natural language processing and computer vision, Google refines search outcomes based on user queries and feedback. These examples highlight the diverse applications of AI in information filtering across various industries.